Guys, welcome back to another exciting, fun-filled video. Today I'm going to fill in this crack from my baseboard to the wall, kind of clean it up a little bit. And the first thing you want to do is clean the surface so the caulking can stick really well. And I'll do that and be right back. So I have a rag with a little bit of Dawn dishwashing detergent. I'm just going to wipe this off really well here. And then we'll rinse it, let it dry for a few minutes, and we'll be ready to continue on. Okay, the surface is all cleaned and it is drying right now. This is the caulking I use. It's interior and exterior, water-based, so you can easily wash it off. And it lasts a long time. I mean, I haven't had any problem with it at all. Okay, what you want to do to begin with is use a razor knife and cut the caulking tip at an angle. That makes it so much easier to work with. It goes on better, and we're going to do that right now. All right, so here you go. We're putting the caulking on. You just go a thin bead right along the top edge like this. Okay guys, so as you can see, the application's a little bit rough, but I'm going to show you how to smooth that out. And it's as simple as a damp rag. And here we go. You just take the rag and you go right along the edge with light pressure. And it'll make it nice, smooth, and clean. Be like pro level work. And that's all there is to it, you guys. So thank you very much for watching. I hope this helped you out, and I will see you in the next video.